Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So, all the time you see me using garlic paste. Well, I'm going to show you tonight how to make garlic paste and onion paste. Okay? This is for your future use or today's use. You just put it in the refrigerator, and now that is the best seasoning you could ever have. What can you use it on? Everything. Meat, vegetables, starch, you name it. You can use it on there, okay? Alright, so let's get started, alright? And by the way, today we're going organic everything. Okay? So let me show you to start with everything that I have organic, and then we're going to get started with the food processor, okay? Alright, thanks for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please share the video with others, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm waiting on you to subscribe, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so we have here organic. Another way you can tell, it says USDA organic. It has a little round symbol right there. Okay, and this is extra virgin olive oil, organic extra virgin olive oil. Okay, and we have organic onions. I already cut up about, I think maybe 7 or 8 of them. Organic onions. It's got the seal on it, so that's what you want to look for when you do the shopping for organic, okay? And we're going to continue on with the same video with organic peeled garlic that we're going to make into a garlic paste. So we're going to have an onion paste and a garlic paste. So this will be after the onion paste, okay? Organic. Alright, and I got all of this from Whole Foods. If you have a Whole Foods in your area, you can go check out Whole Foods, okay? Alright, so let's do it. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, so here's some of my onions. I have another bowl full as well. So we're just going to put these right in the food processor. This is the food processor here. Put it like 3/4 the way full if you have that much. Now if you do not have organic onions and garlic, it's okay. You can use what you have. I'm using organic today. Okay. Okay, I think I can put a few more in my next bowl. You don't want to overfill it where it can't turn. You want it to turn freely. Okay, I think I'll stop there with the fill up. So I put the onions in, right? So now you're going to just put some oil. You're going to ask how much. Well, you don't know how much. So you're going to start with a little, and you know my method is 1, 2, 3. Counting that slow just like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And as long as it still turns, you're good. If it seems like it's struggling turning, you're going to add some more oil. Okay, so this is the top I'm going to put on. I'm going to press on. Food processor is loud, so that you kind of be aware of that now. Put this over here. There we go. Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah, so let me show you this. So you can see how it's fine, right? Very fine. And let me show you another way. I'm going to put it right on my hand so you can really see. And I'll throw that away. So you can see how fine it is, right? Extremely fine. Much finer than if you was to cut those onions up. Okay? Alright, let me wash my hand. Okay. And get a... Okay, so we're going to take this out. I got one piece that didn't mix up. You see that? So that's okay. I'll put that in the next batch. So we're going to take these out and put it in a bowl. Okay, so we're going to add our next batch. Okay, that's all in. And now we're going to add some more olive oil to this new batch. Okay, still some onion peel in here, so I'm just not going to put that in. Okay, let's add our organic olive oil, or whatever oil you're using. Gonna mix that up. It's loud. That was moving around pretty fast, so that's how you know you have enough oil in there. Okay. And let you see this. Other hand. See? Very fine. Now if you're going to keep it past a couple of days, you can put these in freezer bags and freeze it so that you will have it, okay, fresh. Okay, now you can see that whole process probably took about, what, 6 minutes? Something like that. Pretty quick, right? So this is a trick you can do so that you can get children used to eating the onions so they won't see it, but they can taste it. So once they get used to the taste, hopefully they'll like onions, okay? You may have to continuously grind it up like this, but at least they're eating their onions, right? Okay, so I'm going to wash this out and then we're going to come back and mix and make the garlic paste. 1 second. Okay guys, so now we're going to do our garlic paste. We have our organic peeled garlic, okay? And this is 6-ounce bag, and I have 2 of them, okay? So it doesn't matter whether yours is in a bag or a container as long as it's organic, alright? And if you can't afford organic, you can use regular garlic, alright? Organic is good for people who have a lot of allergies. So if you're trying to get rid of, have everything as pure and clean as possible and healthy for you as possible, you go organic. But if you can't afford organic, you got to do what you got to do, right? But today we're going organic. So let's put the garlic in. We have 2 bags. And this I got from Whole Foods store. That's 365 represents Whole Foods. Okay, I found that out today. I didn't know what the number meant, but that's what that means. They told me. Okay, that's their brand. Okay, we're gonna pour them right in. The food processor is all clean from the onions. Okay, and we're using again our organic olive oil, okay? Alright, with the symbol on it. Remember to look for that. Okay, so we're going to pour it in. We're going to count to 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. And we're going to mix it up just like we did the onions. Ready? It's loud. I'm sorry. It's not moving. We need more oil. That's how you know when you need more oil. Let's count to 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So that's 2 counts of 3. Total of 6 counts. So if you count up to 6 or 3, I would go 3 at a time. Okay, here we go. And it does not act like it wants to move again. So I'm going to have to put some more oil in, I believe. Let me give this a stir and see what's going on. Yeah, it needs a little more oil. Okay. So we're going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I think that should do it. Okay, and I want to just stir that up one last time. Yeah, we're definitely going to be good with the oil now. Just 1 minute left and we're good. And there we go. Let me show you. And that's what our garlic paste looks like. And it looks really like a paste. You see how thick it is? Okay, and you can rub that on meat, vegetables, starch, potatoes. It's great. And you don't have to chop up garlic every time, okay? So you can either put this in a container or put small amounts like this in a baggie and put it in the freezer so that you'll have it for future use, okay? Okay, so you see, that was a quickie, wasn't it? Okay, so why don't I give you the word of the day? Let's see. The word of the day. Have you treated yourself to something that you would like lately? Okay, maybe it's your turn, right? It's Christmas time. Why don't you treat yourself first and then treat everyone else? Because you probably haven't treated yourself in a while. And maybe you haven't gotten what you want for Christmas in a long time. So if you can afford it, go ahead. Love on yourself. Treat yourself. It's Christmas. Make it your Christmas. Okay? That's the word of the day. Okay, check out the links below. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. And hit the thumbs up if you like it. Now I've taught you how to make onion paste and garlic paste all in this one video. Okay, until next time. Talk to you later.